Splash Drone 4, your perfect fishing partner. Meet the Splash Drone 4, hailed as the top fishing drone of 2020. This incredible gadget not only soars through the skies, but also takes a dive into the water. Let's delve into its features, like the advanced bait unloading system that can handle up to 2 kilograms, and the interchangeable waterproof cameras, including a night vision option. All this for $2,500, making the Splash Drone 4 a true game changer for fishing enthusiasts. Sea-Doo FishPro, fishing in style on water. Get ready for the FishPro jet ski by Canadian BRP, the world's first jet ski designed with fishing in mind. Starting at $15,000, the FishPro Scout version comes equipped with a cooler fish finder and rod holders, promising a unique and stylish fishing experience. With a powerful 130 horsepower engine and room for 3, it's a fishing trip with friends like never before. UTV Fish House, cozy tents for fans. Explore compact fishing tents crafted for ATV enthusiasts by an American company. These smartly designed shelters, starting at $2,100, come with insulation, furniture, and an automatic setup system. Take the Can-Am Defender model, for instance, offering ample space for 2 without widening your ATV. Scute, the smart 3-section rod case. Say hello to Scute, the world's first rod case that unfolds in 3 sections. Priced at $640, this sturdy case accommodates 6 to 10 fishing rods, perfect for your travel needs. With different lengths and transport straps, Scute ensures your fishing rods stay safe during your adventures. Eskimo E40 Composite, effortless ice hole drilling. Bid farewell to manual hole drilling with the Eskimo E40 Composite. Weighing just over 6 kilograms, this cordless drill makes creating 20 or 25 centimeter holes a breeze. Starting at $480, it's the lightest option in its category, with a handy reverse function for added convenience. Vexilar Flasher, see fish movements in real time. Dive into the world of fishing gadgets with the Vexilar Flasher sonar system. Priced at $420, this sonar system offers real-time tracking of fish movements and bait action. The FLX12 version covers 5 depth ranges, reaching up to 36 meters, coupled with a brighter and clearer screen. FishPro, rods with light and sound signals. Elevate your fishing game with FishPro rods, featuring both light and sound signals. Lightweight and informative, these rods, priced at $85 each, ensure you won't miss a nibble. With a universal mounting system and 100 hours of battery life, they are a must-have for any angler. Snapper, manage multiple rods with ease. Simplify handling multiple rods with Snapper, an adaptable rod management system priced at $50, accommodating rods ranging from 56 to 127 centimeters. It remains steady even when dealing with big fish like pike. Its foldable design makes it easy to store and transport. Hobie Livewell V2 Extended Live Bait Storage. Ensure your live bait stays lively with the Hobie Livewell V2, priced at $455. This storage box, with a width of 53 centimeters, can hold up to 30 liters of water. It features a built-in pump, making it suitable for kayaks, and can also serve as a rod holder. Snowtek Multifunctional Shovels. Snowtek shovels do more than just clear snow. Starting at $41, these shovels can transform into scrapers or chisels. With added cup holders for small items, they offer a unique solution for anglers. Rodless Fishing Reel. Compact and ready for action. Stay ready for fishing adventures with the Rodless Fishing Reel, priced at $89. This handy pocket reel, weighing just 159 grams, ensures an impressive catch with its 3-to-1 gear ratio and up to 12 meters of fishing line. Tactibite Fish Call. Attract fish with ease. Attract fish effortlessly with the Tactibite Fish Call, priced at just $10. This device vibrates, emits sounds, and attracts fish based on the unique lateral line organ. Suitable for both fresh and saltwater, it's a game changer for anglers. Rock Treads. Eco-friendly wading solution. For a cost-effective and eco-friendly way to wade in rivers and streams, consider Rock Treads, starting at $40. Compatible with any footwear, these treads provide excellent grip on wet, slippery, and rocky surfaces, making them ideal for fishing and outdoor activities. Smartlure. The world's first smart lure. Dive into innovation with Smartlure, the world's first smart lure from a Japanese company. Priced at around $120, this lure collects data underwater to help anglers understand fish behavior and optimize their fishing strategies. Hot Flex Ice Hole Heater. Simple solution for freezing holes. Combat freezing fishing holes with the Hot Flex Ice Hole Heater, priced at $28. Simple and ingenious. This flexible heater with warming packs can keep your fishing spot warm for about 18 hours at temperatures around -8 degrees Celsius.